Yo, what's good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. We're in Spain right now. I have something special for you guys. The Oddball. I took it with me on vacation. Like, look where we at. We're going to try and make a little beat using the app and basically test out this tool for producers. And it's really handy because I've been traveling with it and making music along the way, which is super nice in my opinion. So if you open up the case, the ball is right here. As you can see right here, we have the app and we're going to connect our ball to our phone. You can connect your phone to like headphones or speakers or anything else, whatever you prefer using. So we have the create section, the sound lab, and the DJ section. First off, we're going to start with sound lab. We're going to create and like experiment with different sounds inside of the app, basically using the ball so we can manipulate using parameters and stuff. I'm going to load up one of my samples. I just loaded up this dark phrase right here. And every time I basically tap, it triggers the sample. You can also shake to trigger the notes or twist. There's different parameters. If we move the ball with the logo, basically, it changes the pitch. If we even throw the ball, we manipulate the sound. So this is really cool if you like. That's cool. We also have point. This is basically the logo, in which direction you point it. See? It's basically the logo that you twist or like point up or down. Next up, we also have like filters and stuff, delays, reverbs. So right here we have like a low pass we can manipulate. That's crazy. Can even put this lower. The resonance may be all the way up. Put that on point. That's cool. I like that. Maybe a little bit of reverb. Okay, so we saved that right now, and here are all our sounds that we saved. So right now we go into create, and our sounds will be loaded up right here in create, so we can use that to make beats. So let's make something real quick. You got also a bunch of different sounds right here. West Coast, grime, techno, the Oddball sounds, lo-fi, all different sounds you can pick from. The frequency resonance, like the filter is still applied to this sound. little bonus I forgot to mention while editing this video, you can upload all your tracks and projects to the sound wall for everybody to listen to. You can engage with it, you can spark some inspiration from it. So definitely a cool feature to check out as well. But hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think down below. I got a lot more other content coming, so make sure to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.